Chapter 6, Kennisgewings, page 20. Zayn het besluit dit sy plig om kennisgewings by die skool op te sit om mense van ons audisies in te lig. Dis seker die minste wat hy kan doen, siende dat dit sy simpel idee was. Wat dink jy? Wil hy weet toe hy my voorskool by ons tuinhekkie inlag. So Zayn has decided it's his responsibility to put audition posters up around the school to inform everyone about the auditions. And it's probably the least he can do, feels Tiaan, because it was his stupid idea. When Zayn arrives at Tiaan's house, he asks him, what does he think about the auditions poster? Hy hou 'n pak A4 bladsye omhoog. Dit lyk of hy genoeg van die goed gemaak het om by die skoolhek uit te deel. Ek sê dit liewer nie hardop nie, want net nou gee ek hom idees. So he holds a pack of A4 papers up high. And Tiaan thinks to himself, he's made enough so that we can stand at the school gate and we can hand it out to everyone. But he's not going to say that out loud because maybe Zayn will roll with the idea. Dis nogal kort en kragtig, sê ek. En daar's 'n spelfout op. Mens spel nie audisies so nie. Come on, Tiaan. Jy kan darm 'n bietjie meer opgewonde lyk. So Tiaan answers. His response to this poster is it's short and sweet. But there is a spelling mistake. He spelled auditions wrong. And Zayn says you can at least try and look a little bit more excited. Ek sug. Zayn, het jy dalk vir een oomblik daaraan gedink om ten minste my flip en opinie te vra voor jy besluit om audisies vir 'n band te hou? Wat as ek nie eens in die band wil? Ek glo dit nie. Hy wraggies besig om te smaal. Zayn, dis nie 'n joke nie. So Tiaan responds and says Zayn and asks him, didn't you think about what my opinion would be? Didn't you even think to ask me about what I thought about holding auditions for the band? What happens if I don't even want to be part of the band? And as Tiaan says this, Zayn is starting to smile at Tiaan. And Tiaan shouts at Zayn like this is not a joke. Jy kan maar ophou, grin ek. Ek ken jou hoop hulle is te goed. Jy is excited oor hierdie hele besigheid. Toe, herken dit, mam. Ek stoot my fiets deur die hekkie en vat een van die kennisgewings by hom. So Zayn tells him, stop with your nonsense. I know you too well. You're excited about this whole thing. You can just as well admit it. So Tiaan takes one of the posters and pushes his bicycle out of the garden gate or through the garden gate and they go to school. So the advertisement on page 21 says, auditions for band. Auditions for band, obviously this is the word spelled incorrectly. They are looking for a vocalist and a drummer. Waar, so where is the auditions taking place? Leerklas langs musiekklas. So the empty classroom next door to the music classroom. Wanneer, when? Môre na skool, tomorrow after school.